Hey YouTube, welcome back to another edition of Broken Big Boy Toys, and today we're going to be working on the 85 Corvette again. And today we're going to be changing the computer and putting a data mod in it. So the first thing you're going to want to do when you change the computer is you're going to want to go and take this cover off. Alright, so after pulling off your passenger side footwell trim panel, you got a whole bunch of wires. This wire is unplugged because it goes to the light to the footwell. Then if you look up, you see that tan cover. It's got two 10mm bolts and it should just drop straight down. So here's my stock computer from the vet, and it's got a stock chip in it, but it was missing the covers, some rust around it. So right now we just have my new computer sitting down there, and we're just going to test to see if the chip that we put in it is still good, because it is a stock chip that we put back in. Okay, so I just got back from taking the car out on the road, and it was still leaning out. With my car, I'm having a misfire issue. So we're getting fuel because if you saw the injector video, we changed the injectors. Now what we're going to do is, they also say with a misfire, they say to put the Dyna mod in it. So right now Bill's marking all the spark plugs, and he's going to take off the cap, and then we'll show you where the Dyna mod is. Well, the distributor module. Dyna mod is just the company. It's like a high performance company, so it gives, a Dyna mod gives it a hotter spark, right? Yeah. Bill has one in his 87 convertible, so figured if he had one, I should have one, because we constantly go back on whose car's faster. All right, so we got cap off with all those spark plugs and marked them all. The rotor looked a little screwed up, so I think we just straightened it out. It looks a little corroded too, but I don't know. So now we're at the point where we can see the rusted distributor module, like Bill just said. So it's just 2 1/4-inch bolts. She should come right out
where it touches.
Right now I'm just cleaning off where the old module is. You can see all the grease on it. So
it's
I
supposed to have grease on it. Yeah, we're gonna put new grease.
Putting new grease on it. Yeah. Alright, it's ready to go.
Comes with the grease, so don't drop it.
Now I have a Dyna mod in my hand. Like I said before, it's the performance model chip. So be on the towel.
Maybe you should put the Dyna mod down and then open it. What do you think?
What's all of it?
Or get a scissor and cut it.
Use your teeth.
Probably get a scissor.
My teeth? That's kind of kinky.
Jesus Christ.
What she said. Smear it around with your little finger. Rub it in good.
I like that.
That's all you do.
That good enough? That liberally for you?
That's not liberal.
It's not liberal?
No, that's not liberal.
I don't know how to be liberal, so that's okay.
You want, like, if they gave you this stuff, they want you to use it.
Jeez, this is what this bee. This bee is like flying all around here, being
I'm more
a
of
jerk.
a let's go branding kind of guy.
Important to get these t-shirts made up for the kids in the public.
Go away.
Can I get one of that?
Give me the bolts.
Grab it.
Give me the bolts.
Grab it, put it in first.
I was gonna plug it in for you.
Leave it there. It's fine. This is where you fucked it up, so we're not gonna fuck that up again. This is where you bent. Understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So you guys did pull the distributor, yelling that I bent something. I don't bend things.
Who pulled the distributor?
Yeah, obviously, if Tommy put different screws in it.
Oh yeah, he pulled the cap, and that's where he fucked it up. It wasn't you.
He pulled the cap because we changed the cap.
That's cool, but the way the rotor got fucked up is somebody put the cap on and jammed it down.
Okay, well yeah, that's still what happened.
And then put drywall screws in.
Yeah, they're probably just regular.
Look at them, they're not the right size.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Alright, you good?
Hold on.
Do you have the right size screws?
Yeah.
You find them?
Yeah, they came with the cap.
Okay. I don't know how you guys dropped them last time.
That's it. Alright, now hold it all down and you'll be...
Yep.
Is that why he told you need a new distributor? You guys stripped the hell out of it?
That's the worst one, so that you just put in. That was the one he used a gigantic screw in.
Yeah, and that one wasn't caught.
What does that mean it wasn't caught?
Never caught before. This back one's gonna be the one.
Way?
That's what I'm saying. Everything here is... It's good.
Tighten it on with your fingers. Don't put that wrench on it till it's in like 5 or 6 threads. All the tools out of the way?
Yep.
Why are you shutting the hood?
I'm going to tell him to run it before he puts the top on, I think.
Why wouldn't you run it with the hood open?
Take it for a ride. It only acts up when it's moving. You know what I mean?
Well, we don't know that you have all the wires pushed in, right?
Try. We still got the computer down because we can swap the performance chip in if we want to.
Well, that's not doing anything. We don't know if it'll even start and run out of the driveway. This is with the hyper chip in it. Power steering pump really sucks in that car, huh?
Break it up worse. You replace that other thing that...
Yeah, we changed the module and we changed the knock sensor. Oh, it can't be a bad knock sensor. Shouldn't be anyway, it was brand new. Alright, Greg, you're pretty much done? Huh? Alright, so you're putting the computer up. I'm shutting off the video. So you're putting the computer up.
Yeah, putting the computer up. Pretty much it.
Alright, and then you're going to change the plugs again, not tonight?
Yeah.
But it's running a lot better with the Dyna mod and the chip?
Yeah, I have a stage 2 hyper chip in it.
Okay, and that didn't seem like it was loading up, but it threw a code.
The other chip, the stock chip that I put in the car didn't throw a code.
Alright, but this one didn't. It seemed like it was a little rich. I don't know, we gotta see how it runs. I mean, at least it's drivable.
Yeah, a lot more drivable.
Alright. Well, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. You subscribe by that little button that says subscribe. So hit it, and we'll see you soon.